Okay, it is shine time. I'm gonna let this sit a little bit longer before I tack it. My blends seem to have turned out pretty nice. I still don't have really any color to speak of at the edges, is what I was after. I need to kind of fold these down a little bit more and tack that paper. So I'm gonna be getting clear, up in here. But I'm only going to do my last coat up there, and then the blender, and you'll see that as I go. Everything looks pretty good. I've got coverage. I'm not even going to say how it actually looks, because then it always seems to kick you in the ass. But I got the handle colored. I think we're going to be okay to clear this. I'm using medium hardener and everything tonight because it's a little bit warm. Sometimes I do use faster stuff just because of the bugs and stuff like that, but I feel pretty good about that tonight too. I don't see anything now, but you know how that goes. So I'm going to blow this off, tack it, and then we're going to make it shiny. I'll give one last look quickly, and then I'm out of here. I apologize if I'm getting not quite the right angles on stuff here. Okay. First coat, I kind of put on a little lighter just to see how the gun's reacting. Bugs. Yeah, I got something to sit in there. Awesome. Never fails. Chunk of something in there. Grab my tweezers. I'll let that set a little bit. Grab some tape plate. Try to grab some tape. got it. See that? Shit. Handle the coat. Probably going to go for 3 coats. This coat is a little bit dry and patchy, as you can probably see. These ends here, where there's, look, scared the crap out of me. This color here, where there's no color on the ends here, laid out so much more smoothly. So the second coat, I'm not going to actually put any clear there, just to ensure I don't have any runs. My phone just dinged at me here. Let's see what's going on. Old Napa store will be open Saturday 14th to sell all that is left. Okay, you guys remember our Napa store went out of business 14th. This weekend, of course, I'll be busy. Perfect. Well, whatever. I'll let that set up really good. Last coat I'm going to really hog on. Got some dry areas down there, up in here. I don't want to run anything, but I want it to be nice. So give you a little closer up look here after two quick coats. Two quick coats. This is what we got. I want it a little better than that. So you can see my blend turned out really nice. Looks good. Okay. That's probably going to be it for the night, guys. I'll bring it back tomorrow night with the finished product. I'll probably end up assembling the gate, or buffing, assembling, and then taking care of that inside jam area. tomorrow night. I want to get this thing done by Friday night if possible. So, all right. Thanks again for watching. Thanks for your patience. Appreciate your comments. I did see that my subscribers went up a couple again, so that's awesome. I also, well, I've been putting up quite a few videos every night, or every day, so that helps too, I'm sure. But thanks again for watching. And look at that little son of a bitch right there. Get out the tape again. Alright, thanks guys. I'll see you later.